Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to send reminders to customers to get paid on time automatically in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to your workflow automation in the top right corner here. But if you cannot find it, you can just go to your search box here in the top and search for workflow. Then you will find workflow automation. You can click on it. And then you will find a lot of templates here, but we're gonna create new one. You can click plus custom workflow here to create new workflow. And for this one, obviously we're gonna choose invoice and then choose a reminder. This one, click next. And now this is the workflow. So basically invoice is created or edited and then invoice payment status is unpaid and then invoice amount is greater than zero. You can customize it. So when this happen is when the invoice payment is unpaid and then the invoice amount is greater than zero. So basically every invoice payment that you have and it's unpaid, it will uh, in this workflow, and then you can choose this one. So you can choose to send reminder. So let's say start 3 days before invoice is due, and then you can choose the time on or when invoice is paid. So it will stop when it's paid, and then you can just notify via email to customers, and then you can just click save. After that, you can just click this one to save and turn on. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.